In this tutorial, I will share an unbelievable free AI upscaler. Using this AI tool, you can upscale extremely low resolution images in just a second. Open up your browser and type Kiria AI. Click on the first website. You need to log in to access the feature, so I have already created an account. Now click on Upscale and Enhance and drag and drop or click here to open your image. The AI will automatically generate a prompt here. Choose style here. For this image, I will choose photorealistic. You can play with this slider to enhance the final result. Now click on Enhance and AI will do its magic. Now this is the before and this is the after. Take a look at the details. Let's test another low resolution photo. You can see there's a lot of difference between before and after. If you like this AI feature, please hit the like button and comment below.